Huge. It's fucking huge. Oh my God. Here it comes. It's just hitting. It's all this mud and it's in the ditch. It's over. It's over. It's going down it's going into the basketball court. It's backing up into the driveway. Oh my God, it's huge. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's coming toward the game room door. There's a tree in it. Holy shit. No, that's a wattle. Oh my God, it's gonna hit the front door now. Oh my God. Oh my God, John. This is unbelievable. It's running down the driveway. It stopped at the door. It's running down the front driveway. It's underneath me now. Oh my God. Oh, it's huge. It's fucking huge. I don't know. But it's massive. It's unbelievable. Oh my God, it's into the front yard now. Oh, holy shit. Oh my God, it's up the far garage door is taking a bad hit. Sandbags are leaving. Sandbags are getting torn down all along the front of the house. Holy shit. It hasn't topped the plastic yet, but holy shit. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. It's all in the front yard. It's not raining here anymore. Oh my God. The dog's going crazy. The end of our house is taking a beating. The garage. Yeah. Oh my God. I think so. The plastic's still up. The wattles are floating. The wattles are floating. It's into the horseshoe pits. Oh my God. The front yard is a river. Oh my God. I gotta go look at this. Holy shit. Yes. Oh my God. Lily, come here. Lily, come here.